Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Rank Math for keyword tracking and schema setup step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to open the plugin installation page. In the search bar, type Rank Math. Locate the Rank Math SEO plugin in the search results. Click on the Install Now button next to the Rank Math listing. Once installed, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, the Rank Math Setup wizard will prompt you to begin the configuration. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Rank Math account or create a new one. Choose whether to import settings from another SEO plugin if applicable. Select the appropriate site type that best describes your website. Proceed through the setup steps, including connecting your Google account for keyword tracking. Review your website's basic SEO settings recommended by Rank Math. Adjust any settings based on your preferences. Once you finish the initial setup, you'll be directed to the dashboard. To set up schema, navigate to the Titles and Meta tab from the Rank Math menu. Select the appropriate options under the Schema Markup section. Configure your schema settings based on the type of content you have, such as articles or products. Save all changes to ensure your schema settings are activated. Now, go to the Keyword Tracking section to enable keyword tracking. Add the keywords you want to track for your website. Rank Math will begin monitoring your selected keywords for performance. Check back regularly to review your keyword rankings and adjust your strategy as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and configured Rank Math for keyword tracking and schema setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.